It doesn't say where you are?
No.
Here we are at Place Saint-Jacques, and then we're gonna go all the way down to the castle this way. This is the city center. People just sitting around. It's Sunday and enjoying their Sunday coffee.
This is how it looked 1905. But
Oh.
it's not changing so too much. But it looks the same, honey.
I know, but that's the beauty of it. They reserve it, they conserve it.
When we go to new city, we always first go to the tourism office.
Where are we?
So we are here, Place du Minage.
All right there. Is this called Hall? Hall?
Yes, it's a hall.
Hall.
Les halles.
Halle,
But
hall.
in English, it's just a covered market.
Oh, like covered market. I see.
And behind me, Chateau de Clisson.
Uh-huh.
Now we are going to explore.
It looks very impressive.
Yeah. Chateau de Clisson built in 1050 and 1060.
This is what it's left from its old glory. Clisson, a town reimagined. Clisson was destroyed during the French Revolution, burnt, abandoned, broken. Then two brothers arrived, not to rebuild the past, but to imagine a future. They believed memory mattered, that ruins could inspire. From the water, the town feels alive again. Clisson's roots reach back to the Middle Ages, when it stood as a fortified frontier town of the Duchy of Brittany. Its castle guarded the river crossings and watched over centuries of conflict. During the French Revolution and the war in the Vendees, much of the town was damaged or destroyed. But in the early 19th century, something unexpected happened. Clisson was rebuilt with an Italian soul. Terracotta roofs, Tuscan-style villas, gardens inspired by the south of France. France with an Italian accent. Today, Clisson carries another identity.
Wine holder, maybe? I don't
Yes,
know.
it is. It is. Yeah.
But
You,
looks
you pour the wine in and let it air out. Beautiful design. Yeah.
18 euros.
Uh-huh. But it's beautiful. If you go to Kasabası, I bet you pay an arm and a leg. Antique shop. Etienne found a beautiful canter, but when I closely examined it, it was not crystal. Such a sleepy town. Look how beautiful they made that corner. This little back street is taking us to the park. Beautiful artwork.
And this is the David and his scooter. Look at that. There's a small one here. 75.
They turned it around. Oh, there it is. Okay. That's a good one. Now they have to hold on either side, and the third person should climb in. Found the Leaning Tower of Pisa in France. Looks like one of the buildings they leaded us to.
Good day to you all. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Barthélemy Frédéric Olivier, the son of sculptor François Frédéric and Geneviève Antoinette. I was born in Paris on the 30th of November 1810. It was upon my father's unfortunate and untimely death in 1827 that I committed myself to continuing his ambitious project at La Garenne, and I moved here to live. From 1845 onwards, I held the position of mayor of Clisson for numerous years, being re-elected on 2 occasions. I was responsible for the construction of several Italian-style buildings in the town, including the nursery school, boys' school, and Notre-Dame Presbytery.
This is beautiful here. Look at the staircase. Balcony, he looks at the view. My princess, we are invited to King's Castle tonight.
Ooh.
So you better wear your pink outfit. House and dance. Here we are. Every June, it becomes the home of Hellfest. Those who know what that is, you know it's one of Europe's largest metal festival. Medieval stone meets electric guitars. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Past and present colliding. A castle above the river, a market still alive after 700 years, churches on ancient pilgrimage routes, gardens built for slow walks. Clisson isn't frozen in time. It reinvented itself. From the medieval times to modern times, double guillotine. There's war zone here. Born to lose, live to win. December 24th, 1945 to December 28th, 2015. Jean Fraser Lemmy. Etienne, do you remember the mechanic horse we saw at Mont Saint-Michel? Well, this is the mechanic woman. Al City brew pub and restaurants. Not today, Satan. Maybe tonight. No more room in hell. It's a beautiful restaurant. It's not open yet. Hangovers are temporary. Drunk stories are forever. These are the different beers they provide here. This journey isn't just about places. It's about timing, choices, and knowing when to move on. Europe keeps whispering, stay. But home is calling, come. Next adventure, we push deeper towards Nantes. The rivers widen, the roads get faster, and one decision could change our entire route. Will we make it home in time? If you want to see how far we can go before time runs out, stay with us.